Hello, we are here because we are going to help you make a bowl of cereal.
Okay. Grab the cereal, like always. Try the bowl.
It's not a bowl.
Yeah, it is. It is.
Oh, this one's going to be mine. That one's going to be yours.
It's gonna be milk. It's gonna be cereal.
Oh. Okay. 4.
No, back. Put this back. I'm gonna put this back in here.
So you're going to pour the cereal into this.
Oh,
Like very
pour
very slowly. Then pour the milk into the other one. That's how we do. Because we're animals.
pretty much people.
And there we go. Looks like dog food. How to make cereal look like dog food. Do you need a spoon?
Yeah.
You can use a spoon.
Okay.
Jonah's spoon. Which one do you want in? That's so dumb.
That's why I asked you to grab me a big spoon, Avery. Avery, go grab me a.
Right here.
Avery, go grab me a spoon.
Okay.
Take this one back too.
You know they heard you. If I grab you 2 small spoons, tell me to grab you a 2 big spoons. Is it helpful?
Mhm.
You know that's gonna be like, you're just gonna get so tired of doing that. And that is how you make
So it's
cereal look like dog food.